Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this?
Okay, so on the last video, we never said this, but we are at.
Watch steps.
We are at
Tweetsie.
Well, right now we're at Tweetsie, but we're visiting Boone and Blowing Rock. And we're going to a dog show. We had a canine in the light. Those dogs sound is no, the dogs are barking literally in a song. They're barking.
Flying show featuring the world's top canine.
We have an Elizabeth and a Jackson. John and Frisbee? Great, great. Is that a bathing suit? Give it a toss. There you go. That's good. Very good. Make some noise for Jackson, guys. Over here. Oh, boy! Yeah! They're making him work today. Come on, Elizabeth. You can take her. Here we go. Ashton, come on, Ashton.
Have fun, guys. Okay.
Do you want another one? Him is begging. Why did I have to put up my glasses? I don't know. Except my eye hurts.
There used to be a boom town. I wonder what happened.
Yeah. Oh, maybe some time watching a show. Well, it is hot. Maybe they're inside getting some refreshment.
Well, suppose. I've really got nothing.
Well, Daisy, you're looking a little heavy there.
Oh, hi, Mikey. Thought I recognized you back in Tweetsie Town.
Oh, yeah, I decided to come out here, look for some work, you know?
So you made a friend.
Oh, yeah, this here's the Dottie Sage. She's also looking for some work. Say, what's in that box there, huh?
Well, not that it matters, but, well, actually, it really does. This here is the gold box for the troopers up at Fort Boone.
Oh. Don't worry about it any time and
I
everything.
appreciate it.
Yeah, of course, of
You know,
course.
it's real hot today.
Get out there.
What's the meaning of this?
Well, Well, not that it matters. It kind of does. This here is a darn daylight train robbery.
Going to them. Let's just say they're in good hands with the rest of our day.
You monster!
Oh. Oh. Well, that was easy. Well, I'm sure she's just knocked out. This is a kid show after all. Well, fine, folk. This here's a darn daylight train robbery. We'll be coming through and collecting all your valuables. I'm talking about cash. I'm talking about gold. I'm talking about jewelry. I'm talking about debit cards. I'm talking about credit cards. We do not accept American Express. Sorry for that in advance. But we do take Cash App and Venmo. I'll say any minute now to say that my Venmo under Mikey Dix, Nebraska will come up right on them screens there. And, okay. Yeah, exactly. Wait, what the? Hey, What, Bonnie? Oh! Yeah, I think you're gonna crack. Oh. Well, Sheriff, looks like you guys are in a pickle now. If I have anything to say.
Oh, hold your horses. We're getting it. Now. Well, I beg to differ. You haven't even taken a look at that gold box right there.
You got just a bunch of playing cards. We got a pair of aces and a pair of eights. That's it. Yeah, like a dead man's hand. All right, come here, you. Think so? Look.
Just don't move. I'll take care of her and her horse.
Great job, guys.
Yeah. Thanks, Bob.
I gotta tell you, you did a good job there.
All right, everyone, please return to your seats and have a great big round of applause for the Tweetsie Cowboys, Cowgirls, and Trooper Bob. Casey Jones, let's get this train on. Back to town.
Well, let's head on back to town and I'll tell you a little bit more about the train.
Good job.
Yeah, I was going to share the whole.